Hello, and welcome to today's class. For this class, we're trying to learn about how to produce isometric projection of that figure you are seeing on the right hand side of the screen. So let's try to reproduce out that figure. So your first task or priority is to draw out your isometric axis. So I'll take my set square, this one here, my ruler. I'll draw a horizontal line this way, as you can see. So I'll come here, I'll draw a vertical line upward, such that I'm going to draw my line this way. So take it this way. I'll draw this way, right? And then I'll come here, I'll draw this one this way. All right. My next task is to get the length, breadth, and height of that figure. The entire length of that figure is given by 50 plus 60. As you can see, my arrow indicating those dimensions. 50 plus 60, that gives you 110. That's automatically 11 centimeter there. So I'll take my meter rule, come here, measure out 11. So I have 11 here as the entire length. The width of the figure is 44. As you can see, I'm already getting the 44. So come here, measure out 44. It's here. Finally, the entire height of the figure is given as 50 plus 10. As you can see, the 50 with the 10 I'm indicating, that gives all about 60. Entire height is 60. So I'll come here, measure out 60. I have 60 here. So with these three dimensions, three stuffs here, I will get out a box. So take this young man, take it up. I'll come here, take this one up. And I'll come here this way. I'll take this way. I'll take this way. Right? Now come here. Take it this way. Right? And then I'll close it up. Close up. Alright. It is from this box in which that figure you're seeing is being got from. So let me just erase some parts. From this box to which that figure you're seeing is being carved out from, what do you do next? My next task from here is to observe closely and clearly that there is a measurement of 50 to this point here. As you can see, my arrow indicating 50. So I'll take my meter rule. I'll come here from here to here. We said it's 50. This is 50 here. And it's ticking. So of course I'll tick in it. So tick in. First task done. Next task is that this part here too. This part here too. This part here is also ticking. So I'll tick in this part. So ticking. I have this ticking. Next task is to take this part here up. So the height there is 50. Similarly, I'll measure 50 from here to this point here is 50. Also ticking, so I'll tick in it simultaneously. I have it there. If you observe, I have to take this one here with a faint line downward this way. If you observe, here should give me automatically 60. So let's measure and see. So from here to here, of course, 60. Very correct. So I'll tick in it. thicken it. All right, thickened already. I have this. My next priority is that I'll take this way. I'll connect this to this line here, this way, and then I'll connect this one here too, inside, like this, faint line inward, this way, right? Such that I'll just transfer this point here down to meet this, right? So transfer this point here down to meet this, right? Then I'll take this to meet this, and I'll take this closed up. As you can see, similarly, I'll take this, close it up. All right, I have everything being closed up. Next task, come here. I'll close here up too. So almost done. So I'll come here. I'll take this point here down to this point. So next task, I'll take in this part. Also, I'll come here. I'll close this part up. Also taken. I have it this way. What do you observe? I'll take this down, this part here. Take it down. Faint line first. Okay, thick line. Thicken. Also, I'll come here and close here up. So I have this place. What next? Next procedure is to should we get the circle first, or should we get that stuff here connected here, whichever. So let's get the circle first. Okay, we know here to here 60, so half is 30. As you can see, the arrow indicating 30. So we have 30 from here to this point is 30. If here to here is 44, what will be the half? 22. So come here, measure 22. So with these few points, faint line, also another faint line. This is the center. At this center, I want to get a circle. Please, that circle is not normal circle. That circle is called an isometric circle. How do you get the circle? It's easy as first. What's the radius given? The radius there is just 15. So I'll take my compass. I'll take out my compass, right? And then measure out that 15 as being told from the diagram. So from here to here gives you 15. This is the 15 here, this one here. As you can see, from here to, 15. So I'll come here, take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Strike the arc on those lines. When you are done, I'll take this way, my pencil. Alright, I'll take this one down this way, as you can see. Take this one down this way. I'll take this one this way. I'll take this one this way. Our next rule is to join the northwest diagonal. This is short, but this is a long diagonal. So I'll join the longest. I'll join this with this. So I'm done joining my longest diagonal. Next task is to draw out your V shape. So come here. This and this. That's my V shape. So take my compass, this compass. I'll come here. Join this with this. First task done and dusted. sorry, my compass. Alright, sorry for the unsmooth drawing. So just come here and redo it. So I have this. My next task, I'll come here and join this to this. Alright, I have this. I'll come here and come here and join this. So done. Come here, join this to this. Alright, finally I'll come here, this point here, and I'll join this other part. So I'll have it, please. That is circle you're seeing, which we have done. So if you observe that there's another curve, kind of curve inside it, right? So I'll take my French curve. I'll just come there. I'll look for a perfect one to use. Try to see through it this way. This is not giving what I want. Let me see, these big ones will do it. Alright, still do it. Alright. So I have this, please. I have what you're seeing. Finally, let's get that stuff here. Of course, this is my center at this point here. The thickness of that stuff is 10. So it means I'll measure 5 here, 5 here. I'll get the center here. So what I'm saying is this. To save time and stress, I'll take this line, center line, to this point here. I'll take it down here. So I'm measuring 5 here, 5 here, also here, 5 here, 5 here. So come here. 5 here, 5 here. I'll come here, 5 here, 5 here. So I will join those points together. Alright, I'll join this part. I also join this part together. Alright, so let's proceed. Almost done with the figure. So I've connected this part to this way. My next priority now is to just take this downward this way, right? And then I'll take this one here. I'll take it closer to this. Similarly, I'll try to connect points, that is, take this down with a faint line. I'll draw this down with a faint line. So where they meet, perhaps, so this point here, I'll join here to meet the line. I'll close them up. Alright, I'll close them up. So this is what I have here. So we have successfully replicate out that figure you are seeing on the right hand side of the screen. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. See you guys in our next video. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.
Welcome guys, I just launched a course. The course will teach you how to start your own YouTube channel. If you're a teacher also trying to do what I'm doing, you can get this course. The course costs about just 10,000 naira. You can get a course and you start uploading your videos on YouTube. Or if you're a beginner trying to explore YouTube, and are having interest in learning how this YouTube of a thing works, you can do well to get this course. As you can see the banner of this course in the video, in the screen of the video, right? So do well to go and get the YouTube course so you can earn, learn, and also grow your platform. See you guys. If this interests you, do well to message me up or click on the link you see in the video description that says YouTube course. See you guys in next page.
I just launched my website www.ghanaabukari.com, as you can see in the screen. In this website, you can get close to 4 to 5 tutorial courses that are there. So we have different courses there. Also, the book I just launched also is in the website. You can visit our website and get the courses you want to watch. And also, the video you're watching recently, you can get more of these interesting videos in the website. So do well to visit the website and also register an account with my website. See you guys in the website, and make sure you buy a course from the website to support our journey of this academic platform. Thank you guys, and welcome to my channel. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,